that. That's that Iceman drink right there. Y'all see that? A new combo just dropped from McDonald's. It's an OVO times McDonald's collaboration. We're gonna grab the meal, we're gonna try it out, and I'm gonna give you guys a review. We got the OVO's McDonald's collaboration. Let's bust this drink open. You can see that. That's that Iceman drink right there. Y'all see that? This right here looks like it'll go good with some lean. I'm not even gonna lie. Not too sweet. Got a good flavor to it. I love the color. It goes with the Iceman album. Drake is trying to drop the Iceman album. If you're gonna drop this fire right here, you have to drop the Iceman album. I'm gonna give this like a 9 out of 10. It's a solid drink still. Poutine. Yo, bro, they dipped me in the gravy. They skipped me so hard in the gravy, fam. Solid 5.5. Solid 5.5. It's not bad. Junior chicken. Nothing special about it. You know how Mickey D's does it. It's steaming. It's fresh. Tastes like what it's supposed to. Nothing new to it. Nothing added to it. Nothing taken from it. 5 out of 10. Nothing special. It does a job. We got a McDouble. I mean, this one like a 6 out of 10. Not bad. Gets the job done. Overpriced though. And it's McDonald's, for God's sake. Like, this might be a baby I'm eating right now. Pause.